A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has capacitance of 8 picofarad. What will be the capacitance if space between them is filled with substance of dielectric constant 6? Also calculate the charge and potential energy stored by this capacitor when it is connected to 1 kilovolt source. So, what they have given is initial capacitance with air between the plates is 8 picofarad. Now, a dielectric of dielectric constant 6 is introduced. What happens to its new capacitance? Let the new capacitance be C. So, first find capacitance. C is equal to, we know that it is K into C naught. So, that is 6 times 8 picofarad. So, that turns out to be 48 picofarad. So, this is the capacitance after inserting the dielectric. This is one part they have asked. Now, this capacitor is connected to 1 kilovolt source. 1 kilovolt means 1000 volt. Now, you need to calculate charge stored in the capacitor and potential energy stored in the capacitor. So, potential energy we denote it by U. So, we need to calculate energy stored in the capacitor. So, Q is equal to C into V. Substitute here 48 picofarad, it is 10 to the power minus 12 into 1000 volt. So, that turns out to be 48 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, that is 48 nanocoulomb. This is the charge stored in the capacitor. Now, you are supposed to calculate energy stored in the capacitor. Energy is half CV square, that is equal to half C is 48 picofarad 10 to the power minus 12 into V square, that is 1000 square. So, 1000 square will be 10 to the power 6. So, this will become 10 to the power minus 6. So, it will become 48 by 2, that is 24 into 10 power minus 6 joule, that is equal to 24 microjoule. So, energy stored is 24 microjoule, charge stored is 48 nanocoulomb and capacitance is 48 picofarad.